If you're new here and you don't know me, my name's Brian and I used to have super severe cystic acne. I mean cysts all over my face, and then it left me with acne scarring. Now, I've been able to address the acne scarring and improve it quite a bit. And if you aren't new here, you know one of the things that I've done is using the Banish skincare line. Now, a lot of people ask me, what does this product do? What does that product do? What's in the Banish starter kit? Why are those ingredients in there? Basically, break it down for me. And so I wanted to make this video so that I can always refer people to this to make a very short, concise video that shows exactly what's in the Banish starter kit, what each product is going to do for you, and what exactly it all looks like. It's actually perfect timing because I just got my new Banish starter kit in the mail and I'm just about to open it. So let's go unbox it together and I'll walk you through what each product does and what's in the starter kit. So this is the best part of the starters kit. This is the Banisher 2.0. This is a derma stamp with gold-plated titanium bristles that you press into your face to stimulate collagen and elastin regrowth, which helps you to improve your acne scars and your skin texture. A lot of people wonder if it hurts, and in my opinion, it's not painful. It's just a little bit uncomfortable, but the results have been super successful for me. If the Banisher was Batman, this would be Robin. They go hand in hand. This is 99.9% pure medical grade vitamin C, and you apply it immediately after using the Banisher. Vitamin C is a champion ingredient. It has been thoroughly studied and proven to improve acne scarring, but it also improves redness, dark spots, and discoloration. Also, when a vitamin C product is clear, that means the vitamin C hasn't degraded at all and it's still high quality. If you see it yellow, that means it's degraded. Okay, like I said, vitamin C is one of the all-time best skincare ingredients in the world, and the vitamin C beauty elixir is a mist that you can spray onto your face at any point in the day to allow you to reapply vitamin C super quickly. This is really nice for me because, to be honest, I'm not always perfect with my skincare routine, whether I'm busy or just being lazy, and this makes it super easy so I don't feel like I totally failed my skincare that day. All right, this is one of my favorite products of all time. This is the pumpkin enzyme mask, and it's packed with alpha hydroxy acids and beta hydroxy acids, such as glycolic acid, which has been heavily proven to improve skin scarring, texture, and also discoloration. Literally everyone should be using an AHA or a BHA product because it's a natural exfoliator that helps to slough off the dead skin cells on the top of the skin, and it stimulates new healthy skin cells to grow. AHA has been shown in studies to improve acne in people with mild to moderate acne as well. This is the fighter gel. It's got a really interesting texture and it feels really good on your face. It's nice and minty. It can basically be thought of as a calming gel. It's made with MSM. It's a high quality version of sulfur, and it's really great for calming redness, eczema, irritation, and inflammation down. My mom and my sister deal with irritation because they have super sensitive skin and they literally can't live without this product. I really like this one. It feels, again, really nice in the face. The vitamin C cream. This is my all-time favorite product. It's a super high quality, non-pore clogging moisturizer that's made with high quality vitamin C. I use this every single day religiously. Like seriously, when I run out, I freak out a bit until I get the next jar in. It doesn't bother my skin like other moisturizers like Cetaphil, which I used for a long time, and it really screwed up my face. And because it has vitamin C in it, you're applying vitamin C every day and giving it plenty of time to absorb throughout the day. So now you know what products come in the starter kit and what each one of those products do. I've been using Banish, I think for a little bit over a year and a half now. I've seen about a 40% improvement in my acne scarring. Now, if you're new to acne scarring and skin texture stuff, there's no quick fix. You're not gonna change something in your diet. You're not gonna find a product that you use for a one-time use and it changes, or you're gonna use it for a week or even a month and see any significant changes. The way that you really see improvements in your skin texture and your acne scarring is by stimulating collagen and elastin regrowth in your skin, and that takes a while. So when you're trying to improve your acne scarring and texture, you have to do two things. One, be very patient, and two, be very consistent. Those two things over time are really going to help these results actually manifest into your face, and you'll see a really awesome before and after if you take pictures of yourself, and then use it for a couple of months. Now, like I said, I personally have seen huge results from this. I advocate for this product all the time. I really love it, and it takes a lot for me to be wooed by a product. I generally think a lot, if not most, of acne and skincare products are kind of snake oil, or kind of really not all they're cracked up to be. And Banish really is pretty awesome because all the ingredients that they use in their products are science-backed and study-backed. They've actually done studies to prove that the active ingredients do what they say they're gonna do. Now, don't just take my word for it. Of course, I'm one of those people that anytime anybody advocates for something, I'm always like, okay, let's see what other people said. So let's look through the reviews on their website. So there's 913 reviews on the starter kit. And the thing I really like is that a lot of the reviews are very recent. It's not like 4-year-old reviews. So on the 26th of last month, right here, Adriana says, this is the first time I've seen results like I've seen with Banish. My skin felt so amazing just after the first use, and it's only getting better. Here's another one from a guy named George. He says, really struggled with eczema and acne scarring, tried loads of different products and wasted money on private dermatologists and nothing worked. Found out about Banish on YouTube. I was a bit skeptical, but honestly, it changed my life. The products are so good, saw improvements straight away, and my skin looks and feels much better. My only wish is that I started using Banish straight away and not wasted my money on private visits and harmful products. Solid 10 out of 10. This next was actually cool because it has a picture, so we'll check that out in a second. I definitely had my doubts, but it's actually working. Granted, my scars are very deep and all over my face, so initially and historically, I did not think I could do anything at home to treat them. It's been a month since I've been using Banish, and my face is looking a lot smoother. A lot of dark spots on my face don't look as dark, and they're slowly starting to fade into a lighter color. Let's look at this picture. That's actually pretty solid results after a month. Sometimes it takes longer for people, and sometimes it's shorter. This is a pretty solid improvement. You can already see a lot of the deeper rolling scars are improving. And like he said, dark spots are improving too. That's a very fast result after a month. Okay, so I'll stop going through the reviews. You can go on the website and read through the reviews yourself, because I feel like that is what sells me on a product. When I go on Amazon, I don't just buy things, I go through the reviews first. And that is one of the first things I did when I started using Banish, is I looked through all the reviews, and that's what got me to try it the first time. Okay, so there you have it. Just want to make a quick video explaining what's in this starter kit, because so many people ask me, and now I can reference this video anytime I want to. If you are interested in checking out Banish's starter kit or any of the individual products, definitely use my code. It's Brian5. It'll get you $5 off an order of 50 or more. And you can use my link, which is banishbrian.com. I'll put it in the description below. It'll take you right to the website. Like I said, I've seen amazing results from using the product, but also Banish is an awesome team that is very similar in my mindset. They really want to help people in the acne and skincare community to really love themselves and change the way that they look at themselves and their skin to really build their self-esteem. So that's something that I really like about Banish too. So there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. If you've ever tried Banish, if you're interested in trying Banish, or if you've tried any product that has the ingredients that Banish has in it, have you seen results that you are impressed with? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Remember, you are not alone, you are beautiful, and you are part of Team Acne. I'll see you beautiful skin bosses in the very next video.